Hi, in this video we will cover our foreground select tool. Now before I explain the new options here, let's first make a selection. First thing you need to do, you're allowed to do with this tool, is make a selection using a free select tool. So let's just surround this logo here. The next thing you get to do is you have to paint in the detail that you want to select. So let's paint in here like that, and then it goes to work. As you can see here, let's press enter. This is how you apply this selection. We've managed to select our text here, logo, very quickly. Of course there is some not selected areas here. We can use our other tools to quickly select those tools, but this is basically how this works. You have to have a very big difference between your background and the things you want to select, or if you don't have that, you have the ability to tune this tool here to give you the best results possible. Now this continues. What this means is that if I have painted only on this letter and this was on, these other two wouldn't be selected. Let me show you. If we turn this on, let's select the whole thing. Let's paint just this letter, and now it's selected only this letter. The others are not selected because we have these options on. Now the next thing is interactive refinement. You can mark the foreground, mark the background. You can use a small brush, for example. Let's select again. Here is the size of your brush now. You turn this up, you get a bigger brush. You can use a smaller brush. You can mark the foreground, mark the background. The next thing is smoothing. The lower here is the better selection you get, but you may have these holes like we have here of areas that are not selected. The next thing is you can choose the cover of the review window, or you can also adjust your sensitivity for brightness, for red green component, for yellow blue component. Now here you can refine these options to manage to select things that are not so different from the background. You have to experiment here. Every image is different, but this is what this is for, to get a more accurate selection when you have a difficult image to work with.